Where is the nose? Nose. Where is the hair? Hair. Where's the eyes? Eyes. Where is the hand? Hand. Where is the mouth? Mouth. Where is the ear? Ears. Ears. Where is the finger? Where's the finger? Where's the armpit? Where is the belly? Belly! Where is the toe? Where's the toe? I said toe, toe. Oh, what's that? Oh, I get distracted. Where is the booger? Booger, 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 booger. Where is the knuckles? Knuckles. Yeah, knuckles, knuckles. Where is the nose? Nose. Where's the toe? Toe. You got the toe. Show your toe. Show your toe. Yeah, there's a toe. Where is the head? Head. Where's the eyebrow? Where's the eyebrow? You don't know? How about the eyes? Right there. Where is the mouth? Oh. He's tired. He's out. He's pretending he's sleeping. Is he tired? Oh yeah, he's tired. He's sleeping now. Sorry guys, it's done. Just kidding, his back is right there. Where is the armpit? Right there. Oh, Papa, it's not working again. Where is the hand? What's your hand? Oh yeah, he's done. Yeah, he's out. He's out. Yeah, he's snoring. He's snoring. Yeah, he's snoring. Oh yeah, he's snoring. He's out. It's done. Where is the butt? Where is the belly? Oh, I thought he's sleeping. Why is he giggling? Oh, see? I can hear him snoring. Where's the armpit? Oh, he's done. Papa, oh no. I love when you say, oh no. Oh no, it's internet is not very good in this room. Oh no. Oh, I know. Like, what can we do? Yeah, your show is not showing right now. It's not working. Okay.